What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mar Food Tales. We got a banger for today's video, but before we do, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed for any future videos. Let's get into this. All right, guys, so last week you guys saw me try the new Popeyes fried chicken sandwich for the first time, and what can I say? It was pretty good for a fast food chicken sandwich, but there's nothing that can beat a nice homemade chicken sandwich, and I think I can actually make it better. So on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to give Popeyes a run for their money, and we're going to make their chicken sandwich, but better and at home. Let's get into this. Okay, guys, I'm going to quickly go over the ingredients. We have 3 cups of flour, 45 grams of sugar, a quarter cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of whole milk, and we have 2 eggs, 1 whole egg, and 1 egg yolk. We're just adding our yeast to our 1 cup of whole milk, and we're just going to mix that together, add a little bit of the sugar in. We're going to let that rest for about 5 minutes. You're going to see how it froths up, and we'll get started.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, our yeast is activated, so now I'm gonna get the dry ingredients all together. So I'm just gonna be adding my sugar and my salt to my dry ingredients and just gonna be whisking that together, and then I'm gonna do the actual wet ingredients separate. You're gonna see that I'm just gonna be adding the eggs and the melted butter to our yeast mixture, and then coming up you're gonna see that I'm gonna be slowly adding in the flour. So you're gonna see that in the next coming clips, guys. Okay, guys, so as our dough is coming together, I actually kneaded it in the bowl for about 5 minutes or so, and then you're going to see that I dump it onto my surface to actually start kneading it for an additional 5 minutes or so, and this is when I'm going to be adding in my butter. So I knead this for an additional 5 minutes or so, and if you have a bench scraper or something similar to that, this will be very, very useful because the dough is going to be a bit sticky, and that's what you want. So here you're going to see that I'm scooping in 3 tablespoons of butter bit by bit, and then folding the dough into itself. And guys, your hands are going to get very messy during this process, but trust me, it will be well worth it. So as you can see, I'm continuing to fold the dough into itself, and to finish it off, just apply a little bit of more flour at the end, and you're just going to do one last little fold into itself. That's going to make sure all the butter sticks. And then guys, we're good to go. All we're going to do is hit that with some plastic wrap after, and we're going to let that rise for about 2 hours or just until it's doubled in size. Okay, guys, so I've punched down my dough and I already have it out on my surface. So now I'm just sectioning off my dough. I want 95 gram pieces, so it's better if you have a food scale, but if not, you just can cut it down into equal parts, equal sizes pretty much. That's what I do to make sure it's accurate. So guys, you're going to see that I'm going to be taking the edge of the dough and putting it to the middle and turning it, putting it to the middle and then turning it. That's going to help you get that circular shape, and you're going to use your pinkies to kind of shape it and pull it towards you. Turn it, pull it towards you, turn it, pull it towards you, and then we're going to continue to do that for the rest of the dough, and we're going to be making 6 buns. And then it's very important, if you don't want your buns to be too high, you're going to see that I'm actually patting them down. That's going to help it from not rising too much. I don't want a huge bun. And we're going to hit that with some plastic wrap and let that rise for an additional hour. And after that, you're going to see that these have doubled in size. We're going to hit it with our egg wash, which is 1 whole egg and 1 tablespoon of whole milk. We're going to be putting this at 375 for 18 minutes. And guys, you can see after 18 minutes, these are perfect golden brown. We're just going to hit that with butter immediately after they come out of the oven. And that's going to give it that nice, soft texture that brioche buns are known for, guys. And there you have it, brioche buns. Okay guys, it's the next day and we are patting down our chicken breast. You don't want them to be too thick, so you're going to see that I've patted it down so it's nice and even and we get an even cook. And I'm actually going to do an extra step and actually cut the chicken breast to the size of our buns. Since we made them the night before, we can kind of gauge them out. And then after that, we're going to get our chicken marinade all set up. So guys, we have 2 cups of buttermilk that we're going to be using. Buttermilk is the best for this, I find. And then to that, we're going to be adding 2 whole eggs. And then we're also just going to mix that together quickly. And we're going to add a little bit of seasoning to this. So we're going to be adding a half tablespoon of paprika. And then I'm doing a half tablespoon of kosher salt. But I'm just putting it on the chicken. You can put it into the mixture if you want, but I put it on the chicken. And we're doing 3 tablespoons, yes, 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, guys. This is a spicy chicken sandwich. We're going to mix that together, put that into the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. And guys, it's that easy. Your chicken marinade is all set to go. Okay guys, our chicken is in the fridge. It's marinating now. In the meantime, we're gonna make the spicy mayo that Popeyes is known for. It's super easy guys. It's only gonna require a couple of ingredients and I'm gonna show you how to make that. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so to start off, we're gonna be doing a half cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna have the ingredients on the screen. When it comes to this, you can honestly make it how you want. I've added some garlic powder. I put a little bit of Cajun seasoning in, which is totally optional. And I'm gonna be doing smoked paprika and paprika. And I actually ended up doing 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. On here, you only see 1. I actually forgot to record the second one after tasting it. And the next clip, you're going to see me getting the flour mixture set up for our chicken. And then guys, for the seasoning, it's going to be pretty standard. I'm just going to be doing some salt, garlic powder, black pepper. I'm doing smoked paprika and added a little bit of Cajun seasoning for a mixture. And that's it guys. Next clip, you see that I have my chicken out now. And I'm showing you how the battering process works. So we're gonna take it out, put it directly into the flour, put it back into our wet batter, and then we're gonna be putting it back inside of our flour. We're gonna be really punching it down to make sure that we get that nice outer crust and we get those nice beautiful flakes. We're only gonna be frying this for about 10 minutes. Make sure that your temperature is at 350. That's all it's really gonna take. 10 to 12 minutes actually depending on your size. And after that, this is exactly how your chicken should come out. Nice golden brown and flaky. And guys, we're almost at the finish line. We're gonna get our buns set up now. So these are our buns that we made last night. As you can see, they came out perfect. Nice golden brown, buttery, very soft. And yeah, we're gonna be getting our Popeyes chicken sandwich all set up now. We've actually toasted our buns with just regular mayo, but now we're adding on our spicy mayo to both sides of the buns. We're gonna be doing 5 pickles per bun, guys. None of this 2 pickle nonsense that I got when I actually ate the Popeyes chicken sandwich for the first time. And now we're gonna be crowning these beautiful buns with our nice flaky golden chicken, guys. Just look at how they look, man. It's perfect. It's perfect, guys. What else can I say? And now we're just gonna be putting the tops on our buns, and it's good to go, guys. You tell me how I did. From what I see, these look exactly like the Popeyes chicken sandwiches, but much better. And here's a close-up of everything, guys. Let me move that a little bit so you can see the pickles and everything. Now this is what you call a Popeyes chicken sandwich, but it's actually, no, it's gonna be a Mar food tail sandwich because it's all homemade, brioche bun, and guys, just look at that right there. All right, guys, we are all done. And man, if you guys could smell, like, guys, Mar Food Tails chicken sandwich. It's not a Popeyes chicken sandwich anymore. I've upgraded that now. Hopefully you guys can see this. And, oh, man. Whew. I'm excited. So, as I've mentioned before, these are homemade brioche buns. Guys, obviously having a stand mixer will make it so much easier, but hopefully what I showed you guys today gives you guys confidence to make homemade brioche buns without having a stand mixer. And as you can see, pillowy soft. And we got our spicy mayo. And sorry if I'm a little bit sweaty, it's very hot. We got our chicken. Hopefully you guys can see that good. Move back up a little bit. I'm ready to get into this. Just look at that. Wow. Honestly, guys, this is so much better than heading out to Popeyes, honestly. So it has similarities to Popeyes, but it just tastes so much better. Like, I mean, wow. And the sweet pickles, the brioche bun, it's so buttery. That's hot. Perfectly seasoned, nice and crispy. Yep. Crunch check. Yes, sir. Wow. The similarities are crazy, but it's just a better sandwich. Like, I'm sorry, like, wow, this came out very, very, very good. Much better than Popeyes. I definitely think we gave them a run for their money and more. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna cut one of them open. I'm gonna get a knife. Be right back. Okay, we are back with the knife. So we're gonna cut one of these open. I'm gonna see, which one do I wanna cut open? Oh, I'm gonna cut this one open. Okay. Wasn't the best cut, but just showing you guys how pillowy that is. We have those nice pickles, layered. Okay guys, I'll eat half of one more, but honestly this is very filling because this bun is very pillowy and thick, so I'll eat just one more half of this. Oh man, that is really good, guys. You ready for this big bite? Those of you that are still trying to get your hands on a Popeyes chicken sandwich, or if it's not in your country, anywhere in the world you are, if you want to taste how the Popeyes sandwich tastes, but even better, try this recipe, guys, because honestly, it's spot on. There's nothing better than a brioche bun. I'm sorry. If you're eating a chicken sandwich, smash burger, whatever it is, you have to have a brioche bun. It just takes it to a whole different level. So try this, guys. Honestly, this is a game changer. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. So today we gave Popeyes a run for their money, and we did it and more. There's no comparison, guys, honestly. Try this recipe. I'm telling you, make your own homemade brioche buns. Don't go out and get the store-bought ones. It's going to take a little bit more work, but honestly, if you follow this recipe to a T, you're going to be fine. The spicy mayo is perfect. Get the nice sweet pickles. The chicken, everything is just spot on, guys, honestly. It's... This is very good, guys. So... Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys drop a big like for me. Make sure you guys are subscribed and have on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And guys, man, this is the Popeyes chicken sandwich done at home, but the Marfood Tales edition, guys. Well, okay, this just popped out, so I can't just leave it like that, so. All right. Okay, we're done. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at sashin.marfoodtales so you guys stay updated with anything Marfood Tales related or food related. And just check out your boy. So I'll see you guys next week in the kitchen. I'm not sure if I'll be in the kitchen or if I'll be going out to try something new. But guys, you already know how it goes. If you're Marv, stay tuned for the next episode. Marv, gang!